Okay guys, let's go with the second part of the video. How to do fancy things for our phone holder in the back. You can make something as cool as mine. So first of all, we need to decide what do we want in the back of our phone holder. So I have come here and I have looked for an Icelandic room. Okay, this one is cool for me. I like this one. So I will just copy image, and I go to Inkscape and I paste it. Okay, this is huge. This is way bigger than I want. So I will make it smaller. To resize, really important. Press Shift key because that will maintain the size of your image. So we press Shift and we make the image smaller. Okay? Okay, this is how I want it. Perfect. So now with the figure like this, I will come to path and I will make a path because this is an image and images are in they use pixels, and Inkscape is a really cool program because they use vectors that is way better for images. It doesn't matter which size you put the vector, it's like it always will keep the proportions. So we'll go to path and then we trace a bitmap. Okay, and you will click here in edge detention. You cannot see it right now. 1 second, I'm going to move it. Then okay, you will see here it says update it, and then press OK. Then you will have your vector created. Okay, you can close this window, you don't need it anymore, and there you go. Perfect. So I delete this one. Okay, I have my image here. Okay, this is if I want to cut it through. If I want to just color it, I will, okay, sorry, I will do another one. I will do both ones. So this one, I resize it again. Okay, this is perfect. And now path, trace bitmap, and this one I'm going to do brightness cutoff. And okay, and I will get this one. One thing, guys, it will work way better if you do images in black and white. If there are colors over there, it will be way more difficult to work with. So just highly recommend it. Go on internet and look for a black and white picture. If not, make it black and white with this. Okay, with the brightness cut off. I don't need that anymore, so I take it away. Okay. If you want just an image, black and white, so you want the laser cutter to color this up in the wood for you, you are done. If you want to cut it through, you have to do exactly the same things you did before. Fill. There's no fill. Okay, good. Stroke. We want red. Good, perfect. Stroke style. Remember 0.02. And we have it here. Now, I'm going to do this bigger. Okay, as you see, this image here, the one I want to cut through, has two lines. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger so you can see it better. You see that there is two lines over here, all the way through. That means that the laser cutter is going to cut twice. And when it does that, believe me, because I have made that mistake, when you do that, it doesn't look nice later. It likes like really burn around. I highly don't recommend it. So how to fix this? We will go here to path again, and we will break apart the image. Okay, and look, if you see here, we have two lines. So we will select one of them. Okay, click, and we will select one of them. We will take it. Sorry. We will move one of them and erase it. So now, great. My figure has only one, so it will cut just once. I will just took the inner one and put it away. here I still have that problem here, so we'll erase one of them and the same here. Okay, great. Now it looks like A1, so I will make it smaller. Okay, someone saw what happened here. I'm going to click back. Okay, I have to select these ones as well. I'm going to make them together. Okay. What? Not union. I'm just going to select them. Okay, everything is selected. Path, not union, but group. There you go. Okay, now I have it. Sorry for that. So now I will move it, but I want it smaller because this is way too big. And make it smaller. Okay, like this looks good to me. Okay, now you can do any other thing. You can, if you want to write something, you can use the word, and you will put like Julio is awesome. Okay, if I want to put this under my thing, that's perfect. It's black, so it's going to print it. If you want to cut it through, guys, exactly the same as we did before. We will do the same as we did here. Okay, so I have it here. I'm going to group them, object group, so I can move them as one. And here we have my phone holder, the one I did before. Okay, it's here, and I will move it, and it fits perfectly. If it doesn't fit, just make it bigger or smaller. Okay, so here it is. Now when I put this into the laser cutter, it will cut through the red things and it will paint the black ones. Okay, if what I wanted is to cut it through, I will take this one and I will put it here, and then it will cut through this everything, both the phone holder and both the picture I put. Okay, I'm going to leave this one over here. No, I prefer painting in this case, so I change that. I will take everything away. This guy's over here as well. I don't want this. Okay, so I will put my image here. Once I have my image here, I have everything I needed. It's one on top of each other. Good. It's ready to print. Now we go to File. Okay, and we have to save it. We will save as. I will save it in the desktop. You have to save it in your, you know where. So I will come here and I will save it as a PDF. Okay, and then I just have to save it. Though, guys, you can also save it as an Inkscape file, so you can keep on working on it if you want. Okay, maybe next week the thing is like, well, I think I found a better picture, so you just change it. And as easy as that, you save it. Okay, documents page size, we have to click this one here. Good. This has to be in 0.1. okay, the marking millimeters 0.1, and then I press okay, and done. So hopefully you enjoy it, and we will go to print it sometime in the year. Okay, bye.